家乡的Dengzhan Guo，你吃了吗？ Hello everyone, my name is Edwin. I'm a foreigner, an Irishman living in Yanshan County. I'm here today at my wife's hometown, Jiaxiang Township. And here is a local snack called Dengzhan Guo. So I'm going to try it today. And so please follow my camera and let's have a look together. 老板娘，我要一份Dengzhan Guo。
好嘞，马上给你上。
好。 So now, let me have a try. Yeah. Oh, it's very soft. This is really delicious. The filling is stuffed with things like mushrooms, squid, bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, and many other vegetables. It's really rich in flavor. And the green outer skin, according to the owner, is made from wild mugwort and rice. Through multiple processes like squeezing out the juice, stir-frying the dough, kneading, and shaping. It's a really unique aroma. And according to the locals here, the key to making great Dengzhan Guo lies in how well the outer skin is prepared. Now, let me have another bite. It's really delicious. I have to recommend this to my friends in Ireland. When they come to China, they have to give this a try.